and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sherry Elizabeth. I post videos every Tuesday and Friday all about Disney and travel and vlogs and all kinds of fun stuff, so I would love for you to subscribe. Today I am sharing with you a review and resort overview of Disney's Beach Club Resort and Villas. We stayed there just a few weeks ago, and so I wanted to film this video while it is fresh in my mind and tell you all about the resort and what we thought about it. As always, I have notes. So, the Beach Club. The Beach Club is located in the Epcot area of Disney World, and it is located directly behind the World Showcase at Epcot. It's actually that first resort there as you go out the International Gateway, out the back door of Epcot. It is located on Crescent Lake, and directly next door is the Yacht Club, which is the sister resort, and then on the other side of Crescent Lake is the Boardwalk Resort, and there's a walking path you can walk all the way around, which is lovely. So location definitely plays a big part of this resort because the location is fabulous. In addition to being so close to Epcot, you can also walk to Hollywood Studios. We did walk to Hollywood Studios. We did not walk back, but we did walk there. It was about a 20-minute walk or so with a stroller, which was really nice. You walk on the backside of the boardwalk across from the Swan and Dolphin, and it's really, really easy, I think, to walk there. One of the big things when people think about the Beach Club and the Yacht Club is the pool. It arguably has one of the best pools on Disney property. It has Stormalong Bay, which the Beach Club and the Yacht Club share that pool area. It is so popular. The only way that you can experience Stormalong Bay is if you are staying at the Yacht Club or the Beach Club. We unfortunately did not, and I'm really bummed about that because one of the reasons why we wanted to stay there was because of Stormalong Bay, but my son wanted to do other things. We did some other activities which were super fun, but did not get to experience the pool, which is a bummer, but I have my notes here. It has a 150-foot water slide out of the shipwreck, the boat that kind of sticks out and everyone sees. It has a sandy bottom pool, which is really neat. It might be the only sand bottom pool on property. I'm not sure about that, but I think it might be. And it has the lazy river, and it also has a kids pool area, the Guppy Bay kiddie pool. It is definitely a big draw there. It's supposed to be a lot of fun, and I'm really bummed that we did not get to experience it. There's also a quiet pool area that you can also go to if you don't want maybe all of the kids and all of the noise and excitement of the larger pool at Stormalong Bay. In my opinion, the Beach Club is beautiful. It is like late 1800s beach cottages of New England. There's lots of white, lots of like light blues and those just real beachy colors, lots of windows, lots of French doors. It is really, really beautiful with hardwood floors, and there's just accents of light like seashells and that kind of stuff. So I thought it was really, really lovely. It just felt very serene and relaxing. There was lots of chairs everywhere, wicker chairs, there was rocking chairs, and it just really lent itself beautifully to just relaxing there, which was definitely a plus for us. There's a walkway on the back side of the Beach Club, and on the other side of that is sand near Crescent Lake where kids can play in the sand, and there's also beach chairs, and there's like swings that you can just sit there and relax. So it is really just a lovely place to sit and enjoy and just appreciate the architecture and the gardens and everything else that were there. It was really lovely. The rooms. Now, we stayed in a DVC or Disney Vacation Club villa, so I can really only speak to them specifically. However, I have seen pictures of the other rooms, and they are very similar. The rooms are very, very light and bright, so that white, those light blues, just a lot of sunlight came in through our window. The room was very, very spacious. I did film a room tour, which I will link up above and in the description box below so you can see exactly what our room looked like, but it was very spacious, very clean, really just a lovely room. Our room did sleep 5, so there was a queen size bed, a pull-out couch, and then like a pull-out bed that came out from the wall that was a single bed. I do think that if you had 5 people, it would be a little bit tight in there, but it could work. Transportation is always a big one when you're looking at resorts, and I think the Beach Club really has some of the best transportation options at Walt Disney World. So you have a few options to get to the different parks. If you are going to Epcot or Hollywood Studios, like I said, you can walk. It is like maybe a 5-minute walk to Epcot. It is really just over a little bridge. 20 minutes over to Hollywood Studios. Maybe a little bit less if you didn't have a stroller, maybe 15. You can also take a boat to Hollywood Studios. You could also technically take a boat to Epcot. It's probably faster to walk, but you could take a boat. And then to get to Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom, you do need to take a bus. We did not go to the Animal Kingdom while we stayed there, but we did go to Magic Kingdom, and the bus was super, super easy. You pick up the buses right in the front of the Beach Club, really like steps from the lobby, which was really easy, and we waited like 5 minutes for our bus. I think we just got really, really lucky, and we went straight to Magic Kingdom, which was maybe a 10-minute ride. It only took a few minutes to get there. So the transportation there is definitely a plus. Shopping. There is really only one shop at the Beach Club, and it is the Beach Club Marketplace. It is on the bigger side, I would say. They kind of have 2 different areas. One area where there's the souvenirs, there was spirit jerseys, there was autograph books, there was all of kind of the normal souvenirs that you find at the hotels. And then in the other section was more toys, keychains, sunglasses. There was like towels, swimsuits, flip-flops, hats, and that kind of stuff. And then they had a rather large area with snacks and sundries. There was candy and sodas and that kind of stuff. It's not the largest store I've seen at resorts, but I think that it fulfills the need, and it's adequate. There are a lot of dining options at the Beach Club, and it has a quick service restaurant, the Beach Club Marketplace. It serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It is a grab and go, and they have just a variety of sandwiches. There was salads, just all kinds of things that you could easily grab and take in your park bag or take back to your room, and that is also where you will fill up your refillable mug. There's Hurricane Hannah's, which just serves lunch and dinner. We did not eat there. It's more of a poolside bar and grill, we'll call it. And then there's the Cape May Cafe, which is character dining. And there you can find Minnie, Mickey, Donald, and Goofy dressed in their beach or their poolside attire, and the Cape May Cafe serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Maybe most popular is Beaches and Cream. They are known for their kitchen sink. It is that big bowl full of ice cream and whipped cream and all kinds of good stuff. Now, Beaches and Cream is on the smaller side, so reservations are definitely recommended. They do have a counter area, which I believe is first come, first serve, but it is not very large, and so you really need to get that reservation. Now, if you want just ice cream or shakes, they do have a little window that you can get those kinds of things, but they don't serve the food out of that window. So if you do want to eat there, you do need to eat in the restaurant. There's also a bar and lounge, Martha's Vineyard, that serves cocktails and more appetizer kind of foods as well. I think one of the pluses of the Beach Club is because it's within walking distance, particularly of Epcot, you can very easily walk into the World Showcase and eat at one of those restaurants, which in my opinion is a huge plus. You can also very easily walk over to the boardwalk and eat at one of those restaurants, and you can walk over to the Yacht Club. One of the popular restaurants in the Yacht Club is the Ale and Compass, so that's really convenient. The Yacht Club also has, in my opinion, a larger quick service restaurant, which is the Market at Ale and Compass. So if you wanted maybe more selections, you could easily walk over to the Yacht Club and get some quick service over there. The Beach Club is a deluxe resort, and so it has that deluxe resort price tag. When I looked today, the rooms start at $400 a night, and of course that rate will vary based on the season that you go. We really enjoyed staying at the Beach Club for a number of reasons. We loved the theming. We thought that it was just really beautiful. It was very well done. It was kind of fun because it was so immersive. and the rooms were spacious, so we appreciated that. We liked the layout of the beach club as well. So it is a large resort, but it feels like the way that the rooms are configured in relation to the lobby. So if we were to walk kind of through the indoor corridor, we had quite a long walk to our room. But if we walked out of the side door of kind of the tower or the area that we were in, we were just steps from the lobby going a different way if we walked outside. So it felt really, really convenient. We loved being able to walk to Epcot and being able to walk to Hollywood Studios, especially when you have a stroller or if you have small children. That quick walk, instead of having to maybe wait for a bus or even wait for a boat, really was worth its weight in gold. It was just so easy to get to Hollywood Studios, and particularly to Epcot. It was really amazing. So yes, the beach club is one of our favorite resorts now. There was just so many things going for it that we absolutely loved, and we will definitely be staying there again. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!